Hey, this is Chef Remy from cooking1on1.com. In today's recipe, we're going to do a breaded fried chicken. Okay, so we got our breading station with flour, some eggs, breadcrumbs. I've added a little bit of Cajun spice to it, some salt and pepper to season. So you're going to take your chicken breast, put it in your flour, okay, and just put it in your breadcrumbs. And that's it. And we're going to do 4 of those. Okay, so we've got our chicken breasts breaded, and we're going to put them in. You can also do these in the oven, but today we're going to do deep fried chicken. So sit in the oil. Just slowly drop them in so that your oil, they won't stick to the bottom of the pan. Let the oil cook them a bit. We're going to let those sit in there for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to pull them out. Okay, so you can cook your chicken, say about 5 to 8 minutes. It should come out a nice golden brown like this. You also want to cut it in the middle, make sure it's not raw. And if it is a little raw, you can also finish it up in the oven. And you don't have to necessarily use breast on this. You can use chicken thigh or legs, whatever you want. We're just using breast for this video. There you go. There's your chicken breast. Okay, so that's our recipe for today. And if you've got any questions, concerns, or even if you want us to try a recipe, contact us through the website. So this is Chef Remy saying, we'll see you next recipe.